So I wanted to show you a quick training on how to take out background noise inside of a video. See, as a marketing agency, I ask some of my clients to make videos for me. And what they do is they send me a video, and oftentimes, it could be some noise going on in the room, or maybe there's an echo. Right now, I have a fan running, or the air conditioner, or a dog barking, or a plane in the sky. All these things can be happening in the background. And what we need to do is extract that noise. That way, the audio can be clear and concise, and the video can demonstrate exactly what it needs to do. So sometimes the noise is very distracting. So let's go inside of Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you exactly how to extract that now. So inside of Premiere Pro here, we're going to start by bringing in the project. So we started a new project. We're going to bring in the new project. We're going to load it right here and let the files import. And what I'll do is I will expand this so I can see the waves. And the first thing I notice is that the waves are a little bit low. So I'll click play real quick. And I can see here in our meter that I want it to be roughly around -1, -3. And I can see it's pretty low. So the first thing I want to do before I do any type of noise reduction from the background is I'm actually going to do some audio gain levels, and I'm going to set normalize peak. And this is a bit of trial and error. So I'm first going to hit 3 here. And as I can see the peak levels get higher. And I want to make sure that it doesn't peak itself.
Budget, but you don't have to spend an astronomical amount.
Okay, so this is a good start because now I can see the peak is higher. If I were to adjust it any higher, let me show you what peaking looks like. So we go to audio gains, and I'm just going to normalize peak to 10. And as you can see, everything raises.
To get a really good.
And I know it's going to peak right here.
So an acoustical treatment.
So we don't want anything in the red. So I know that didn't work. So 3 is actually exactly what I want. I will be doing some more adjustment layers, but for this one, we just want to make sure we can get out the background noise. Now, if you listen in this audio, you can kind of hear the, I don't know if it's an echo or something's running. I don't know if it's a fan.
Until you have that, what a difference it makes often.
And it's real subtle, but it's when he's not talking, you can really hear it good. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click inside of the audio layer, and I'm going to edit in Adobe Audition. So that is a separate program, but it does work with Premiere. So if you have the entire Adobe suites, you'll have Premiere Pro, and then you'll also have to install Adobe Audition. And then it'll automatically load the audio file inside of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the plus button on my keyboard. That way I can zoom in. And what I'm going to be looking for is, so we know this is when he's talking here. And then these files here is when there's no talking. So I kind of want to get, if I can find a big break to where, these are the files, these sequence is the tracks that is the background noise. So I'm first going to try it with this one. If not, I'm going to need a bigger one, and maybe this one. Actually, this one looks like it's bigger. So I'm going to grab it from here to here. What I'm going to do is I can right click on it, and I can click capture noise print, or I can go to the effects panel, and under noise reduction, I can also capture the noise print. So we'll click that right there, capture noise print. And what it has done is it has selected this piece inside of the audio clip. And what it's going to do is it's going to look for anything with these decimals or this these levels. We're then going to suppress it so that we can take out the background noise. So after I capture the noise print, the next step is to select the entire audio track. So I'll hit Command A or Control A on a Windows, and then I'll go back into the effects panel. I'll look for noise reduction, and then I'm going to click noise reduction process. And as you can see here, this is kind of the levels, and we're going to click apply. Now, since we captured the noise print, now we're applying that to the track. And if you can see here now, since before we had these little waves, now they've basically become silent, which gives us a very clean.
I guess that's a loaded question. See whatever
Audio track. So from here while I'm still in Adobe Audition, I'm going to click File, Save. And now it saves the track inside of Premiere.
And I've had friends, people in the past that have headphones.
And that's how you get rid of background noise inside of Premiere Pro using Adobe Audition. See you next time.